Hello sir, good morning po. So ito na yung unit nyo sir, error, wala, no SD card lang. Yan, about. Yan, so yan yung unit nyo. And ako lang po yung pinaka-unit. Yan, yan. Test light. Yan. Calibration, safety, compass. Yan, so wait lang kami ng GPS signal. Yan.
Take off.
Stick mode. Mode 2. So angat ko lang konti. Yan, lumilipad na yung unit ninyo sir.
Home point updated.
Yan, so GPS moderate, wait lang natin mag-strong. Yan, kasi medyo maulap. Kaya nahirapan tayo gather ng GPS. Yan, so strong na. Update ko lang yung home point. Auto RTH altitude. Sobrang taas yan. Update home point. Aircraft. Ayan. Okay.
Home point updated.
Camera. Turn down. Ayan. So working. Lahat.